I used to spend hours recording and editing my tutorial videos, not until I come across Wondershare DemoCreator. And with Wondershare DemoCreator, you can do your screen recording and editing in one place without any stress. While recording your screen, you have access to zooming out your screen, pointing out important places that you want your viewers to pay attention to. Then you have cursor highlight. Your cursor is going to be highlighted, enabling your viewers to see what you are pointing out for them. And this is going to help you pass your message effectively to your viewers while teaching them. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Wondershare DemoCreator to create high quality professional tutorial videos for my audience. To get started, you need to download the app by using the link under this video description. When you click on the link under the video description, it's going to take you to this particular interface, and then from here you need to come here and click on the free download, and from there you're going to install the app. After installing the app, then you open the app. Here is the app interface. You can have access to video recorder, meaning you can record your screen on this app. Then you have access to video editor. So after recording your screen, then you can do your editing on this same app. Then you have access to AI clips generator, audio subtitle, text to speech, AI text based editing, AI voice changer. So you can change your voice from your normal voice to an AI voice. To use the video recorder on this app, then you need to come here and click on video recorder. When you click on video recorder, they are going to ask you some few questions here. What will you like to record? Either you want to record screen and camera at the same time, or you want to record on the camera, you want to record on the audio, video presentation, virtual avatar, or game. So let's say, for example, I want to record screen and camera at the same time. I'm going to click on screen and camera. Now, before you start your recording, there are some settings that you need to put in place. From my screen here, you can see that we have some settings available here. So here you can select what you want to record. Let's say I want to record camera only. I can come here, select camera, audio, game, virtual avatar, video presentation. Then from here, you select the aspect ratio of the kind of screen you want to record. You can see we have YouTube's 16:9 aspect ratio, TikTok, Instagram, standard. So these are the aspect ratio you can select. So if I pick YouTube 16:9, it means my aspect ratio is going to be like the YouTube size. So from here, you can select Windows, the window tab you want to record. So if I click on Windows, this is going to show all your windows that are open. For instance, you want to record Google Chrome. You can see my Google Chrome tab is already open, so I can select Google Chrome and I'll be able to record on the Google Chrome tab alone. We have the magic tools. If you click on this magic tools, you can see these are available magic tools that you can choose. We have the smart zoom. So if I enable this smart zoom, anytime I want to use it in my recording while I'm recording my screen, I can use the smart zoom. So all you have to do to enable this is to click on this toggle button to turn it on if I want to enable the smart zoom. Then we have the cursor highlight. If you want to enable this cursor highlight, you can see currently as I'm recording this screen, my cursor is being highlighted. I think it's showing a color of yellow or blue as the case may be. So that is what is called the color highlight. This color highlight helps your viewers to see what you are pointing. So if I click on it, enable it, these are the colors you can select. So here we have yellow, red, blue, and purple. So you can select that using this arrow. Then come down. This shows hotkeys. So these hotkeys are what you press on your keyboard. So for example, I'm recording a video and I press Ctrl A. That Ctrl A is going to show by the side of my screen. So you can see how good that is. So if I want to enable the show hotkeys, I can enable that. Then we have AI voice cleaner. If I want to use the AI voice cleaner and I don't want any disturbance under my audio, I can then enable the AI voice cleaner and it's going to clean out the background noise under this video. So if you want to use that, then you can click on it to enable that. Then the next thing that we have here, this is called teleprompter. So if I go up here, you can see the teleprompter. So I can type in what I want to be saying while recording my video, but this teleprompter is not going to be shown to your audience. Come down, then here you select the camera. If you want to use your camera, you can see camera is shown here. If you want to use the camera, you enable that. Then another one here is the audio. So let's say you're using an external mic, then you can use this option to select the mic that you want to record your audio from. Then another thing we have here is the system audio. If you want to record the system audio, you can use this available option. Then the next thing we have here is the settings. If you click on these settings, you can do some settings. Then this is the general setting. You can, before recording, you can do some little settings here. Then the file where you want the files to be saved to, you can select it from here. Then under video, you can select the frame rate from here. Encoder quality, if you want high quality, you can use that. Then the webcam, you can select the webcam from here, the resolution and the frame rate also. Then if you click on shortcut, you can see all the shortcut keys available for this. So this shortcut keys is going to help you while recording your video. For example, you can have the cursor pointer, the cursor click effect, the highlight cursor effect, spotlight. These are all these other settings available. So you can change these shortcut keys using your own shortcut keys. So the next thing is your camera. So you can see this circle camera. So if you don't want the circle on, then you can use the rectangle camera. You can see here. So when you select any of these options, if you click on the rectangle, you can select this, meaning this scene is going to show around your camera. Okay, then the next one here, we have this. These are some other effects you can add around your camera while you recording your video. Then here you can change the background. You can change your background from here. So for example, I want to make my background blur. I can use this option available here. Then this is the AI beauty filter. If you want to use the AI beauty filter, then you can do all these other settings available here. When you're satisfied, you can then come down here and start your recording by clicking on the record option. And then after recording, you can now go ahead to use the video editor on this to edit your recording. Come over here, click on video editor, and here this is the interface of the video editor on this Wondershare DemoCreator. From here, you can upload your file clicking on this particular button, or you can click on recordings for you to have access to all the recordings you have used this Wondershare DemoCreator to record. Or you can also use this import option available here to upload your file also. If you want to upload your file, simply click on upload option, and from here you select the file you want to edit. Click on open and the file is going to be added. And to start editing this file, what you have to do, click on it and drag it down to your timeline like this. So from here you can click on this play button to listen to how it sounds like. Over to the left hand side, you can add audio effect. If you come down, you see the audio effect option that you can add. If you click on audio effect, you can see these are several audio effects you can add to your video. AI voice cleaner is going to clean the voice for you. Then AI denoise is going to remove background noise from your video. If you want to add any of these options, you can simply click on AI voice cleaner, click on it, then drag it over your video, and that is going to be added. And on your right hand side, you're going to see AI voice cleaner. This is the strength of how much is going to clean your voice. So you can increase it forward, then you can also increase it backward. Then you can also add AI voice changer, AI vocal remover, then voice effect can also be added to your recorded video. And the next thing here is the cursor effect. If you want to add cursor effect, simply click on it, and from here you have different cursor effects that you can add to your recorded video. You can add this cursor highlight, cursor spotlight, click rings, cursor magnifier. You can also add a click sound under your video. So at any position where you are clicking on something, you can drag the click sound and add it under your video. So if I want to add cursor highlight, what I'm going to do is to click on the cursor highlight and drag it over my video. But before you use the cursor highlight, you make sure that your video was recorded with Wondershare DemoCreator. So if you want to add the cursor spotlight to your video, simply click on it and bring it down to the video layer, and that will be added to this. You can see this is the cursor spotlight. Over to the right hand side, you can select the area of the spotlight. You can see you can select the area, or you can reduce the opacity of the surrounding area just like this. You can also change the color of the surrounding area, so I can make it red or any color that I want to choose from here. If after adding the cursor spotlight and you don't like it and you want to remove it from your video, you can simply come over here, click on this delete button, and it's going to remove the cursor spotlight from your video. The next thing you can add is the cursor magnifier. So after that, you can add the pan and zoom to your video. If you click on pan and zoom, you can see we have smart zoom, we have pan to bottom right, that is this bottom right, we have pan to top right, that is the top right, we have pan to bottom left. So if you want to add any of these pan to your video, so let's say I want to add the center pan, I want to add this to my video. What I'm going to do is to click it. Now I'm going to drag it over the video where I want it to start from. We have it here. So if you click and drag it, you can drag it to any location that you want it to be. So now if I click and drag it, you can see the effect on our video here. You can reduce the duration of this, you can increase the duration of this. Then over to the right hand side, so here we can reduce the duration or increase the duration. Now if I go back and play this video, you see the effect of the pan and zoom. So you can see that it's going to zoom an area. So let's say you're placing an emphasis on something, or you're trying to show your viewers something at this particular location, then you can add the pan and zoom to that location. So it's the same with all the pan and zoom available all here. You can also add it to your video. The next thing you can add is the annotation. So if you click on annotation, you can see there are different annotation that you can use, you can add to your video. So for example, I want to add this circle annotation. I'm going to click on it. Now drag it on top my video. You can see I've dragged it on top my video. Now if I play my video, you will see it's circling something. Now I can reduce the duration of this by going here, now drag it backwards. So after circling something, I want it to go out from the screen. And if you click on it, on the right hand side here, we have the scale. So you can scale it up or you can scale it down as the case may be. Then from here, you can change the rotation of it just like this, anyhow you want it to be. Then here you can change the position. You can make it go right, make it go left. You can make it go up, make it come down. Then change the shape, the border size, increase the border size just from here. Then you can change the border color from this particular place. Also the border opacity, you can also make it faint, you can make it 100%. So that's that for the annotation. Then another thing that we have available here is the auto subtitle. So to have access to the auto subtitle, then you need to come over here. From here you see auto subtitle. If you want to add that, then just click on it, and on the right side here you see auto subtitles automatically generate subtitles from speech. That's from the speech. From your video you can import subtitles from your device. Manual subtitles you can add it by yourself. If you want to use the auto subtitle, just click on it and select the language you want to use. Automatically identify and highlight keywords. So if you want to highlight keywords, you can check this, and then when you click on start, it's going to start generating this subtitle over your video. Another interesting feature that we have on the Wondershare DemoCreator is the badge export, meaning you can split your video into segments and export all of them at the same time. So for example, if you want to export a segment of your video and you want to use that segment in another project, you can quickly do that. To access the badge export on the Wondershare DemoCreator, what you are going to do is to come over here and click on the segment marker. When you click on this segment marker, you are going to see a segment marker track added on top of your video layer. So from here, you are going to add marker. So this plus sign that you are seeing here is a marker that you can add to each segment of your video that you want to export. Now, if I add a marker here, let's say this location, if I add a marker, I've added one segment to my video, meaning I'm going to be exporting. When I click on the badge export, I'm going to be exporting two badge of this video. That's two segments of the video. This is the first segment. Then after this marker, we have the second segment here. I can go forward and add the third segment. Now I have three segments in my video. I have the first segment, second segment, and the third segment. Now, another thing you can do from here to have your file organized, you can come over here where you see the fragment 1. You can simply click inside here and change the name. So let's call this area part 1. So let's call this area part 2. Then we'll come down to the third segment. Let's call this third segment part 3. Now, after adding this segment, what you are going to do is to come down here and click on badge export. When you click on the badge export, there are some settings you can do over here. From here, you can select the format of the video, leave it at MP4 or any format you want to use. You select the aspect ratio you want to select. From here, you can select different aspect ratio. Then here, you select the project resolution. Then you can come here, select the file location you want to export your videos to. After that, then you come down here and click on the export. But it doesn't only stop there. There's another thing you can do. So let's say for this first segment, I want to export the first segment alone. I can come here, right click on it, then come over here and export this segmented video. So I'm going to be exporting only this segment alone. So this is a cool feature available on Wondershare DemoCreator that is going to save you the stress of exporting badge video. If you are satisfied and you want to remove the segment, you can simply right click on it, come over here and click on delete all segment. then right click on it again and hide segment marker. So that is going to be removed. Do where to download the Wondershare Demo Creator from the link under this video description. You can use it to record your screen while teaching your audience. Either you're a course creator or you're a content creator, this particular application is going to be very, very useful for you, as it's going to set you apart from other creators out there, because your viewers will be able to see clearly what you're pointing out for them on your screen. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.